Guys, many people start trading so that they can earn something. But the problem is they make losses instead making of profits because they don't have proper knowledge. They don't know how to analyze the market. They don't know how to predict that market will go up or market will go down. Alright guys, they even don't know where to trade, where don't need to trade, and so many things guys. Okay. But guys, in this video we will be talking about a powerful trading strategy that combines RSI and SMA together. And guys, trust me, this trading strategy can help you. This trading strategy can boost your Quotex trading experience. And guys, if you want to earn good money in Quotex trading, you can use this trading concept guys. Okay. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will explain each and everything in a very simple and very easy words. Okay. And guys, you know RSI and SMA both are tried and tested method. Traders are using this trading concept and making huge money guys. Okay. So guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and keep your notifications on so that you never miss any update of upcoming trading videos guys. Guys, I also provide free trading signals on my Telegram channel. You can just join and start your earning with free signals. Okay. Link of my Telegram channel given in the description below of this video guys. Okay. So now guys, it's very important part how we are going to trade by using this trading concept. So just click on this indicator section. You can see there is a moving average. Just click on it and you can see a red line has been applied on my trading chart. Okay, so this is your SMA. That means simple moving average. Okay, it indicates us that market trend is in up direction or in down direction. And one oscillator we have to apply on our chart. This is RSI. So this is your relative strength index guys. And it helps us to identify where is the market momentum, where is the market in overbought, like this is your 70. If this green line is above the 70, that means market is in oversold region and we will not trade in up direction without any confirmation. On the other hand, if this green line is below this 30, this is your 30, like this is below 30, that means the downtrend has been oversold and we will not trade in down direction anymore because market can get reversal. So this is the basic concept of trading. Okay. So now guys, how we are going to trade and what are the confirmations we need before placing any trade. So let me check the asset first. Okay. And now guys, I am going to place my trade in up direction from this point. Okay. Let's wait and watch. Okay. So now you can see I took a trade of $100. Okay. $100 in up direction. How we can trade guys? See, first we have to see this red line. Okay, this is your red line. If the candles are forming above this red line, okay, that means above the SMA, that's indicating us that market trend is in up direction. All right, and this green line should be nearby 70, not nearby 30, nearby 70. I'm not saying it should be above the 70. It should be nearby 70. That indicates us that market trend is in up direction. All right. So that's why we are placing our trade in up direction. So this is basic concept and simple concept guys. Now where you don't need to trade, this is equally important. Okay, this is equally important. You have to know where you don't need to trade. Let's suppose guys, this market trend is in down direction. Candles are forming in below this red line. That's indicating us that market trend is in down direction. Okay, we booked the profit by the way. So it's indicating us that market trend is in down direction and this is your 30 and RSI is nearby 30. It's also indicating us a down direction trend. Okay. But guys, at these labels, okay, this is another label, this is another. So you can see this is your support level, and at these levels guys, we will not trade in down direction because market can get rejections over here. Okay. So you can see market came down, took a support, went up. Again, market is coming down at this level, nearby at this level, guys. This is a zone, okay? And market again back in, again went in up direction, okay? So this is your basic concept. So we will not trade nearby support levels and also we will not trade nearby resistance levels in up direction. Either we are getting a confirmation, no matter we are getting or not, guys, okay? So let's make some more clarity about this trading concept. Let me check the asset first. Okay. Remove this. Guys, if you are enjoying the video and if you are getting some knowledge, then make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and keep your notifications on. Okay, here again you can see guys, this is a zone, this is a supply zone, demand zone. Okay, this is a support level, a support zone. Here you can see this is nearby 30, it's indicating us down trend. Candles are also below the red line, it's also indicating us down direction trend, but we will not trade in down direction because of this zone. Okay, so this is your zone. So all these basics must be clear guys. If you are not aware, then you will not trade guys. Okay, we can trade here because you can see this is a strong up direction trend and this is also in overbought. So if this is an overbought, and I'm not teaching you in this video how you can trade in overbought reason, this is an advanced concept. If you want to know what is the advanced concept, how you can trade, make sure guys you comment below this video. Definitely in next videos I will try to explain each and everything step by step for you. Okay, so after few seconds guys, definitely I am going to place my trade in down direction. Okay, let's wait. So now guys, you can see I took 3 trades and all 3 trades in downward direction. Let's wait and watch what will be the result of our trades, because you can see this is a market, this is a like your red line. Okay, this is your SMA. Candles are forming below this red line, that means it's indicating us a downward direction trend. Okay, and this is your 30, this is your 30. Okay, and this this green line, this RSI line is nearby 30. Okay, that's why I took 3 trades in downward direction. So if you are careful, if you know how to use this trading concept exactly guys, you can surely make huge profit guys. You can surely make huge profit, you can earn some good money. Okay, so let's wait and watch what will be the result. Again, we made such good profit, hopefully. Okay, let's wait. Okay guys, we made the profit. So now guys, this is the basic concept, and let me revise what we learned. So guys, see the RSI, this is your RSI. This measure the speed and changes of the price movement. This is your price. Okay, so any changes in the speed of this market or price is happening on chart, RSI can help us to identify this trend guys. Okay, so if like as I told you earlier, if this green line is below 30 or above 70, it indicates us that market trend is in overbought or in oversold. On the other hand guys, this is your SMA line. So SMA for certain time frame, this is for 1 minute chart. Okay, so it's indicating us that market trend overall is in down direction or in up direction. It's helping us to identify the trend of this currency guys. Okay, so this is the basic concept. So if we are getting both confirmations for downward direction, like SMA is indicating a downtrend, this is also indicating a downtrend, then we can trade in down direction. Otherwise we will not trade guys. And if both are indicating for up direction trend, then we can trade in up direction. So this basic concept and easy to use concept guys. Okay, so this is the like, if we are using RSI and SMA strategy effectively guys, we can surely guys, we can hit the big profits from the market. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video.